how to download and install Valorant. First, you want to simply go to your browser over here, and inside your browser, you want to simply search for Valorant over here. Once you have searched for your Valorant, you want to simply open the official Valorant website, and you want to simply tap on Play for Free over here. By doing so, you'll be able to select your device over here. You want to simply select your device, and once you have done so, you want to simply sign in into your Riot Games account over here. If you already have an account, you can simply tap on sign in to sign in into your account. However, if you do not have an account, you can simply tap on create one to create your new Riot Games account. And once you have done so, you'd be able to download the application from here. And once you have downloaded the app, you want to simply open the Valorant application to run as administrator. And once you have done so inside the game, you want to simply log in into your account again. If you don't have one, you'd be able to create your account over here as well. You can simply tap on create account, and you'd be able to follow the prompt from here to create your new Riot Games account. And by doing so, you'd be able to install and play the Valorant game. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.